What can I do?
So you may have gotten this question. Tell me more about this audience. And this is something that comes up often if you're working on on the marketing side as a data scientist. And you find yourself, if you're new to a company, you find yourself a bit limited because it's like, okay, well, we need to set up A/B test experimentations. Maybe we got to run surveys or focus groups. Run surveys on the website, things like that. But what I want to do is share with you a machine learning technique that you could use to learn more about your audience. And I'm going to share just how you can use that. So there's two things. It's going to be you're going to be using gradient boosting trees and logistic regression. They're both machine learning models. Gradient boosting trees use an ensemble of decision trees where they correct each other when they try to learn about a specific audience. So say you want to learn what makes the difference between newsletter subscribers and our baseline set of users, and you want to learn the actions that they have. Well, you're going to collect all these kind of features that you have on your website, and then you're going to run these kind of decision trees to kind of learn where this audience differs from your baseline audience. So that way you could get insights. Gradient boosting trees are able to extract those insights for you when you run a feature importance analysis. Now, feature importance analysis will look at those features that you maintain. It could be the amount of times they visit amount of times they open the email or other emails or other actions on your site. You try to collect as many as you can, and gradient boosting tree will determine what features are driving the highest amount of impact. So one good analogy that I've heard is that imagine you have a team of experts trying to determine who's going to win a marathon. And they're going to go based off of certain features for each marathon runner. And what gradient boosting tree does is they look at each one of those each one of those aspects, and they combine all what the experts think, and then they determine what are the most important features. So say it was the size of the foot, and this is hypothetically speaking. Say the size of the foot matters the most and drives the highest impact. But one thing that gradient boosting trees doesn't tell you is the linear direction. Is it the bigger the foot makes for a faster marathon runner, more of a chance to win, or is it a smaller the foot? So that's where you enter in logistic regression. Logistic regression is a lot more of a simpler decision tree model than gradient boosting tree. It's not as accurate, but what it does really help you, and where it really comes in handy is it tells you the linear relationship. It's a binary classification system, so it's just a simple 1-0 Boolean phrases, but it tells you like if the logistic regression model returns a positive coefficient when they say for the size of the foot matters, that means a bigger foot means that user or that marathon runner would have a higher chance of winning a marathon. Now, I'm saying that this is all just really hypothetical. It's not based in fact in terms of whoever wins a marathon and the size of foot that matters, but that's what it means like for this analogy when you're running machine learning analysis. I just wanted to kind of share that to kind of see how that could apply when it comes to running marketing campaigns, because this is a lot of what's used when you're running like lookalike models and like when you run extract a lookalike audience from Facebook or Google. So I just want to share how that's applied and just kind of share it in an easy and simple to understand method. If you do have interest, comment on this video and let me know, and I could share how you could interpret those results when you get those kind of like sample results and how you could derive insights from them. So other than that, hope everybody has a good day, and see you on the next video.